I'll have some resources below to help you set up your MemberVault account, but for now, log into your dashboard, go under Products, Add New Product under Available Products, and then you should be at this page right here. Under Product Information, pick Active. For Type, pick Regular. And Title, we're going to call this Resource Library. And create yours in Canva. The recommended size is 1280 by 486, but we're going to keep it simple and just choose a YouTube thumbnail, and you could choose from any one of these and save it and then add yours here. For now, I'm just using the one I have on my resource library product. And then we'll move on to description. This is where you're going to add your information about your what's inside your library, who is it for, your audience, and tell them, like, you can list 2 or 3 freebies they'll find inside. This could be your most popular ones. And then inside your welcome message, this is going to be the message that pops up when a user subscribes to your list to get the freebie. You can add their name to personalize their experience. Just copy and paste it here. Hey, name, thanks for joining. And then you can save everything here. We're going to skip the modules for now. Options, you'll click on a form. Link will be if you have a product on your website that you want to share the link. You will add the link here on the sales page link. For payments, if you want to sell your product from inside MemberVault, you would use payment option. But for now, this is a freebie, so we're just going to use form. And for the button text, we're going to use sign up. This is going to be more information about your resource library. So here you can add more information about your resource library. What's inside. If you're connected to an email marketing tool, you'll also share what to expect and when once they join your email list. In the terms of service checkbox, you can add a link to your terms of service page and your privacy page from your website. So you would click here, add the link here, and open link in new window. The thank you message you can leave as is. And save everything down here. And once you're done with that, we can head over to modules. And here's where we're going to add your freebies. So under type, you'll click module. Title will be library. Also, for teaser, you could add, if you wanted to add your affiliate links and from your tools and resources page, you can do that also. That module will be available for everybody, whether they're subscribed or not. But we'll just keep it as module for now. And add module. And here's where we're going to add a lesson. You get this title as freebie. If you have a welcome video, you can add your video here, plus the video ID. And under lesson text, this is where you add your freebie. You can add your links here. And then on the right, you could also add your freebies here. You could upload it and add file. This will give them the option to download their freebie from here. Just to keep it simple, you could just add your links in the lesson text. And then when you're done with that, adding your lesson files or adding your links here, you could also add questions here. This could be what else would you like to learn, or what should I create next? And then once you're done with that, you can hit save down here, save lesson. This is also automatically saved if you can't tell from up here. And then you could preview. And once you're done with all this, it should look like something like this. This is how I have mine set up. And this is from the inside once they join. And then from the outside, this is what's going to look like after you set it up. So they'll learn more. This is your welcome message or your description. This is your module for the resource library, and this is the teaser library I was talking about, the teaser module I was talking about. So you can view all the recommended tools from here, and then you're all set up. As a pro tip, when you're ready to use your link and share with your audience, use a shorter link using Bitly, or if you're using WordPress, you can use Pretty Links plugin to create your links. And you could use that link to promote your free resource library. You could also create a pin to link to your library and share it on Pinterest. You can also add this to your landing page and call the button free resource library. So every time you make a freebie, you could add it to your lessons in MemberVault. And then send folks to your link in bio to download their new freebie. And plus, once you add more services and products in the future inside MemberVault, they'll be able to check out your other resources and offerings from inside MemberVault. If you haven't already, watch this video to create your own Linktree landing page in WordPress. And before you go, make sure you tap the link in the description box to read the complete guide to setting up your MemberVault library. And make sure you like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.